Finally, the highly anticipated 2024 Model 3 Performance is out after countless leaks and teases. Most were true, some were not. Stick around until the end of the video to get caught up on the most hyped Tesla release of 2024. It is confirmed the 0 to 60 is 2.9 seconds, which is higher than what most anticipated, but with a starting price point of $52,990, and keep in mind that does not count the US federal tax incentive, which would drop it down to $45,490. What a time to be alive, ladies and gentlemen. But let's head over to Tesla's website and see all of the options, features, prices, and the delivery window to when you can get your hands on a Tesla Model 3 Performance. So when you get to Tesla's website, you will see the Model 3 Performance. Over here, I have pre-selected it. It is $52,990, and you'll see three options: cash, lease, and finance. And let's just go with the cash option for now, and you'll see it doesn't include the $7,500 federal tax credit and the estimated 5-year gas savings of $5,000. So when you do click this, it does drop it down to $40,490, which was the price I was previously mentioning, which is pretty amazing considering the top speed you get is 163 miles per hour and 0 to 60 of 2.9 seconds, and the estimated range is 296 miles. So let's go down and check out the performance upgrade. This is where you'll see the big differences between the rear-wheel drive and the long range. All new high-performance drive units deliver more than combined 500 horsepower and 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. This is the most powerful Model 3 ever. So we go to the next one, bespoke design. Okay, so we have a front and rear fascias, rear diffuser, and carbon fiber spoiler. Give it a unique look. They should have included more pictures here to show the carbon fiber spoiler. And we also have, this is really cool, I don't know about this, but all new adaptive suspension. So expect a lot more control and comfort when you are driving your new Model 3 Performance. And up next we have track mode. So not a lot of us will be taking this to the track, to be honest, but the few that are will get to customize their settings to the highest degree with the track mode, and they call it track mode V3, which features all new calibration for the powertrain and the adaptive suspension to give you more authority behind the wheel. And you can customize your handling, balance, and stability controls and regen braking to set up the car how you like it. So really giving the owner full control on how they want to modify it to what suits them. Next, we have sports seats. This is one of the coolest upgrades they've added. I think this is something you got to add if you look at the BMW M3 and all the other performance sedans out there. They do have cool sports bucket seats. So I'm really glad Tesla's taking that lead as well. And the fact that they've added this cool ludicrous badging, which by the way, it's not ludicrous, which we all thought it was ludicrous, but it's cool that they've added it to the seat as well. And next we have a performance chassis. A bespoke chassis and suspension hardware is tuned to provide intuitive, razor-sharp response to driver inputs. And we also have forged performance wheels. Lightweight staggered wheels provide sharper turn and response. And I really like the cool design of this. I think it really stands out. And I like the fact that it's black. I'm not a big fan of chrome. And we also have high performance brakes, which only makes sense. When you do have that kind of performance, you do want to have performance brakes. Leaving it out would have been a big mistake by Tesla. And there also is more carbon fiber details inside. One of my videos I previously mentioned that they did add the carbon fiber dash. So this is great. There's a lot of new features that really differentiated overall versus the long range. So finally, we get to see a big change versus the non-performance models. I pre-selected Ultra Red because in my opinion, it looks the best. It is for $2,000 extra. If I go to black, for example, solid black, they call it, is $1,500, and deep blue metallic is $1,000. And I think the white looks super cool. I think it's my second favorite. Is the pearl white multi-coat, which I have from a Model Y. It's $1,000 extra charge, and the free option is stealth gray, but I think the white and the red are the best options to go to in my opinion. And lastly, there's only one wheel configuration, the 20-inch warp wheels, which I also spoke about previously in the leak. It has the summer tires, so that also means you will have to get winter tires. These are not all seasons. White interior is the only way to go, and black interior, you'll see how much. Yeah, I would always pick the white interior. It is $1,500 extra, and it does go a long way. I'm gonna skip FSD because we all know what FSD is. I covered that in my video. This is your first Tesla. You'll have to get either a wall connector or a mobile connector. The wall connector is $450, and the mobile connector is $250. And when I go down here, accessories is Model 3 roof rack. That will definitely decrease your drag, but if you do want to get that for looks, that's $400. Model 3 center console trays, $35, and Model 3 all-weather interior liners, $225. All I would not recommend getting from Tesla's website. If you do want to get it from third-party markets like Amazon or things like that, or check the links in my description. Now for the delivery window. So now if you were to order your Model 3 today, you'll get it from May to June of this year. And I don't know if this changes based on what interior you select. So let's check and see if I change it to black. I know previous buyers have had issues with the white interior coming in time. No, it hasn't changed apparently. So there we go. So we'll leave it as is, and let's go continue and let's see the final price that we're looking at, right? So now the final price is $56,630 with the black interior, 20-inch warp wheels, and only with the red paint edition. And now you can also, with the federal tax incentive, it goes down to $49,130 as the final price, which is pretty amazing. So less than $50K to get 0 to 60 for 2.9 seconds. Let me know if you'll be ordering this. This is a great day because this is going to be amazing once I get my hands on this car. And you know what to do. Subscribe for more Tesla content.